To understand the friction, let us consider the following example. Place the ball on the floor and push the ball. You will observe that ball shows down after covering some distance and finally stop rolling and come to stop. Is there any force that act on the ball and stop it? Yes, what is the force called? This force is known as friction and is always directed in opposite direction of motion. Friction can have many effects. Wear and tear. Compare the sole of new pair of shoes with the one that you have been wearing from some time. What causes? The force of the friction between the ground and the sole of your shoes wears out the soles. For example, parts of the machine, type of the vehicle, etc., get worn due to the force of friction. Friction can have many effects. When you rub your palm together, heat is produced. This is because of friction produces heat. Advantages and disadvantages of friction. What would happen if there is no force of friction acting in the following scenario? A ball is rolled on ground, you walk on road, you apply the brake on your bicycle. Without friction, the ball will never stop. You will not be able to walk, and the bicycle will not stop. If friction did not exist, there would be no grip between the surface. Hence, the friction play a very important role in our day-to-day life. Friction between pen and paper enables you to write. Without friction, the pen will slip over the paper. Friction helps in fixing nails into a wall. These are the advantages of friction. A matchstick burns on striking the matchstick due to the friction between the two surfaces. Friction between the feet and the ground enable you to walk. It is also advantages of friction. If there was no friction, you would slip as soon as you try to walk. Buses, trucks, cars, etc., with the help of friction, causes wear and tear of surface and material. For example, tire, buses, car, truck, etc., wear out due to the friction between them and the road. Soles and shoes wear out due to friction. Moving part of machines such as screw and ball bearing need to be replaced as they to wear out due to friction. Friction between surface generates the heat. You have seen this while rubbing your palm. Various parts of machine get damaged due to get generated by friction need to be replaced frequently. This is the disadvantages. Method of increasing friction. Tires of the vehicles are corrugated to increase the friction between them and the surface of the road. Increase the friction provides tires a better grip. Soles of the shoes used by a player have spike on them. The spikes increases the friction and provide the film grip, firm grip. Kabaddi player and rub the sand. Lubricants are substances that help to reduce the friction in machine. Gases or oil is slipped. Bell bearings are used for rolling two surfaces over each other. Wheels are used for moving heavy suitcase and bags. Wheels soften less friction and streamline shape fish, boat, birds, aircraft, etc. reduce the friction which help them to move water, water and air easily. Method of increasing and reducing the friction. How you notice wrestling and gymnast applying some coarse substance in their hand. Why do soles and shoes and slip